everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Krystal. Today I'll be talking about 5 skincare mistakes that people make for acne prone and oily skin. Not touching or squeezing acne is one of them, but I won't be mentioning something too obvious like that. I'll also be sharing some helpful solutions and tips that you can actually incorporate to your routine. The first mistake is too much cleansing and exfoliating. Regular exfoliating and deep cleansing definitely help unclog your pores and remove excess sebum. However, a lot of people think that just cleansing a lot and removing all the oil from your skin will clear their acne. But unfortunately, excessive cleansing is very bad for your skin and it will actually break your skin out even more. So instead of over cleansing, it's important to choose a very gentle, non-irritating cleanser that does not break your skin barrier. Like I've mentioned in my past videos, I started using gel cleansers a lot more than foaming cleansers just because they're more gentle and less irritating to the skin. So I'm always on the lookout for gel cleansers that actually cleanse well and is suitable for my sensitive skin. And I found this haruharuwonder Black Rice Moisture 5.5 Soft Cleansing Gel. This product has 5.5 pH level, which means that it's slightly acidic, which helps to maintain your skin barrier. As you can see, this is a very transparent gel cleanser and it's very mild and soft on the skin. So I use this cleanser in the morning and at night after oil cleansing as part of my double cleansing routine. I gently roll it with my fingertips and massage it for about 30 seconds on my skin and rinse with lukewarm water. It's very smooth, so it leaves soft, hydrating feeling without any dryness or tightness. The second mistake that people make is not moisturizing their skin enough. Just because you have oily skin and acne-prone skin doesn't mean you shouldn't be hydrating your skin. Instead, you should really focus on getting that hydration level right so that your skin won't break out. I want to introduce this toner, haruharuwonder's Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. As the name hyaluronic toner suggests, this product is very hydrating, unscented, and designed for sensitive skin. The reason I really want to recommend this product to oily skin people is that it doesn't feel sticky at all. It's very fresh and lightweight, so I really think that you guys will like the texture and the feel of this product. After cleansing my face, I use this toner as the first step of my skincare routine, especially right before my period when my skin is very red and sensitive. Both products that I mentioned are made of fermented black rice, which has very high antioxidant content. That's why I think they're particularly suitable for acne prone and oily skin because you can really protect your skin from any type of damage. The third common mistake that people make to make their acne worse is skipping sunscreen. I know some acne-prone and oily skin people dislike putting on sunscreen because of the sticky feeling, but actually, not putting on sunscreen can do more damage because the UV rays can damage your skin barrier, which then dries out your skin and leads to a higher oil production in your skin. So you need to make sure to do a daily sun care with a lightweight and non-pore clogging sunscreen. I know it's hard to find one, but I have one product to introduce you guys. This product is also from haruharuwonder. It's the Black Rice Pure Mineral Relief Daily Sunscreen. This sunscreen is extremely lightweight. Just for your information, this sunscreen uses physical filters and has benefits such as being antioxidant, soothing, hydrating, and brightening. This sunscreen has SPF of 50 plus and PA of plus. So it ensures strong UV protection, which is important for protecting our skin barrier from the UV rays. When you apply it to your skin, there's like absolutely no oily feeling. I have a dry skin, so if I don't moisturize my skin enough, it sometimes feels a little bit dry, which means for oily skin people, this product will have like the perfect texture that you want. Another reason that I recommend haruharuwonder's products is that they're vegan and cruelty-free. Their products are also made with at least 95% of natural ingredients, which makes it very suitable for sensitive and acne-prone skin. I'll make sure to put the link in the description box for you guys to shop. The fourth mistake is putting on a very thick base makeup. As you all probably know, thick makeup can clog pores, especially if they're expired or if your makeup brush or sponges aren't clean. Once you open the product, you actually only have about a year to a year and a half to finish using the product. So make sure to keep track of the dates that you first started using your base makeup products and change them for your skin hygiene. And I'm also guilty of this, but a lot of people don't wash their makeup sponges or brushes. And since they directly touch your skin, they can cause some serious skin troubles if they're not cleaned well. So make sure to wash and dry them frequently to avoid making your acne worse. Our skin really needs some breathing space, so I really recommend using concealer by taking your fingertips and dabbing it on selected parts of your skin, for example, like your dark circle areas, the sides of your nose, and some spots that you want to cover, versus applying thick layers of foundation. The idea that we need to cover up and put more things to our skin to look pretty is completely wrong. We are our best self when we showcase our real face and real glow. So I hope you guys can be a bit more confident and have fun taking a good care of your skin. The fifth mistake is not really a skincare related mistake, but it's stressing too much over acne. While reading through your comments about acne, I saw some of you mentioned you always wear face masks because you feel very insecure, and I also saw comments about people getting bullied at school because of their acne. And sometimes I post my before and after photos of practicing some skincare tips. People say I don't even have that much acne, but the truth is I refrain from taking any type of photos or videos or even looking myself in the mirror when I have lots of acne. In the past, I used to cover them up with very thick makeup, and sometimes when someone noticed me outside, I panicked so much thinking, what if they think I'm so ugly? And especially being a beauty YouTuber, I felt more pressure to always having to look pretty and flawless, although I'm not. So I also went through a period of feeling overly conscious of my face. But after realizing how unhealthy it is, I started to accept myself and my acne, and it's actually very natural. No one has perfect skin. Everyone has their own skin problems and struggle with them. For example, I might not have the most acne, but I struggle a lot with dryness and sensitivity. Even during the summer, I need to always carry around a lip balm, and even that sometimes doesn't help. And whenever I move to a new city, when there's a new season, I always get redness and itchiness on my face because it's sensitive. So some of you might think that my skin is pretty good and smooth looking, but it's not all that perfect, and that's okay. Whatever is causing our own skin problem, there's a way to fix it, and we can all work towards taking care of our own skin to make the best version of it. I truly hope that all of you can feel confident and beautiful every day. Thanks for staying until the end of the video, and I'll see you next time.